Welcome to Brian's research presentation for Psychology 109. Today, I will be presenting you the research done by the Princeton University and the University of California. The title is called "The Pen is Mightier Than the Keyboard: The Advantage of Longhand Over Keyboard Note-Taking." Let's get started. This research is done in 3 different experiments, which the first one is done in Princeton University, and the second, third experiments is done in the University of California. The research is based on previous research that shows the results of note-taking can affect learning through 2 ways. The first way is called encoding, which is the note-taking that improves the learning and the retention. And another way is called external storage. It is the ability for the note taker to review the content. Results for Study 1. For Study 1, the researcher mainly focused on the differences between laptop group and longhand group. For laptop group, the results has shows that they write more notes. But however, there are also more verbatim overlap, which means they tend to copy directly from the presentation or the lecture directly, word by word, instead of actually understand it and then write the notes. Therefore, the results has shows that they can perform better for the factual questions. However, this does not prove by the statistical approach because the significance level is not good enough. For the longhand group, the results has shows that they can perform significantly better results for both factual questions or the conceptual questions. Even though they didn't write as many notes as the laptop group, but the notes have less verbatim words overlap with the presentation, and also shows that they have more synthesis notes than the laptop group. Now, let me introduce you the results of second research. In this research, it mainly copying the previous experiments that done in the Princeton University. Therefore, the results has come out quite similarly, which is that the longhand group can perform better on the conceptual questions than the laptop group. However, the differences for this research is that this time the researchers intervenes the laptop group, a part of them, not all. Which the intervention is that you should not write your notes verbatimly. And however, the results has shows that for conceptual questions, the laptop group still do the same things. So the results is quite similar. And however, for the factual questions, the computer group that have been told not to write notes verbatim performs slightly better. However, this does not have enough statistical evidence to back up it. Finally, let's go to the results for Study 3. For this study, the researcher trying to simulate the actual situations that students may take exams sometime after they take the class. Therefore, they let the participant to take their test a week after they take the learning. The results has shows that for the participant who take longhand notes and then being able to study before the test, they perform the best. And this may represent the superior external storage and also the superior encoding function. Let's wrap up the presentation for today. There are 3 key points. The first key point is that always write notes synthetically. This helps you to revise your exam in the future. Second, always take notes with your hands. It helps you to understand the conceptual questions. Last, always write notes after you understand it, not while you're here. That's the presentation for today. Thank you very much.